Welcome to a creative journey where rustic charm meets timeless elegance. In today's video, we'll explore how to design DIY earthy terracotta Easter centerpieces that bring warmth and authenticity to your farmhouse dining room. These handcrafted accents celebrate natural textures, soft tones, and seasonal beauty, creating a cozy yet refined atmosphere perfect for gathering with loved ones. Terracotta is the heart of this design, known for its warm, sun-baked hues and organic appeal. Its natural imperfections make each piece feel unique and grounded, perfectly aligning with the farmhouse aesthetic. When paired with soft Easter elements like delicate florals and muted pastels, terracotta transforms into a beautiful focal point that feels both seasonal and timeless. To begin, gather simple materials that reflect nature's beauty. Think terracotta pots, clay vases, dried moss, linen fabric, and wooden trays. These elements form the foundation of your centerpiece. By keeping your materials earthy and understated, you allow the textures and tones to speak for themselves without overwhelming the space. Start by selecting a base for your arrangement. A wooden tray or a reclaimed wood plank works beautifully to anchor your centerpiece. This space not only organizes your design but also adds depth and contrast against the terracotta pieces, enhancing the rustic farmhouse feel. Next, incorporate terracotta pots in varying sizes. Grouping them together creates visual interest and dimension. You can leave them in their natural state or lightly whitewash them for a softer, vintage look. This subtle variation adds character without straying from the earthy palette. Now it's time to bring in greenery. Use fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme, or opt for faux eucalyptus and olive branches for a longer-lasting arrangement. These natural elements soften the look of the clay and introduce a refreshing, organic touch that embodies the spirit of spring. true Easter feel, add delicate floral accents. Choose blooms in soft whites, blush pinks, or pale yellows. Flowers like baby's breath, tulips, or ranunculus blend beautifully with terracotta tones, creating a harmonious balance between rustic and seasonal charm. Incorporating moss is another way to enhance the natural aesthetic. Place small clusters of moss around the base of your pots or inside them as filler. This adds texture and creates a forest-like feel that brings the outdoors into your dining space. Consider adding handmade elements such as painted eggs or clay ornaments. Keep them minimal and in neutral tones to maintain the earthy theme. These small details add a festive touch without overpowering the overall design. Lighting plays a crucial role in elevating your centerpiece. Add a few candles in glass holders or small terracotta vessels. The soft glow of candlelight enhances the warm tones of the clay and creates an inviting ambience perfect for Easter gatherings. Textiles can further enrich your arrangement. Drape a piece of linen or burlap beneath your centerpiece for added softness and layering. These fabrics complement the rustic style and tie the entire look together effortlessly. Balance is key when arranging your centerpiece. Avoid overcrowding by allowing space between elements. This breathing room ensures each piece stands out while maintaining a cohesive and uncluttered appearance. Height variation adds visual interest. Mix taller elements like branches or flowers with shorter items like moss and eggs. This creates a dynamic composition that draws the eye across the table without feeling chaotic. Don't be afraid to embrace imperfections. The beauty of farmhouse decor lies in its authenticity. Slightly uneven textures, weathered finishes, and natural variations all contribute to the charm and uniqueness of your centerpiece. You can personalize your design by incorporating meaningful items. Perhaps a vintage jar, a family heirloom, or a handmade piece. These additions make your centerpiece not just decorative, but also deeply personal and memorable. As you style your dining table, consider how the centerpiece interacts with the rest of the setting. Pair it with simple dinnerware, neutral napkins, and wooden accents to create a cohesive and inviting tablescape. This DIY project is not only beautiful but also budget-friendly. By using natural materials and repurposing items you already have, you can create a stunning centerpiece without overspending. It's a perfect blend of creativity, sustainability, and style. In conclusion, earthy terracotta Easter centerpieces offer a timeless way to celebrate the season while embracing the warmth of farmhouse design. With natural textures, soft colors, and thoughtful details, you can transform your dining room into a welcoming space that feels both elegant and grounded. Thank you for joining, and may your Easter be filled with beauty, creativity, and meaningful moments.